2025 Aprilia RSV4 has arrived, redefining superbike performance with cutting-edge technology and Italian craftsmanship. Known for its aggressive styling, race-proven aerodynamics, and sheer power, the RSV4 is a serious contender for the best superbike of the year. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what makes the new RSV4 a beast on the road and track. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RSV4 lies a 1099 cubic centimeters V4 engine, now fine-tuned to deliver even more power and precision. Aprilia has pushed the limits, extracting around 217 horsepower, making this one of the most powerful production superbikes on the market. The seamless throttle response, combined with a refined power band, ensures blistering acceleration and top-tier performance. Expect a thrilling ride, whether you're carving through corners or blasting down a straight. Electronics and rider aids. Aprilia has always been at the forefront of electronic rider aids, and the 2025 RSV4 is no exception. Equipped with the APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control system, it features multi-level traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and engine braking management. The addition of a new 6-axis IMU ensures that all rider aids work with pinpoint accuracy, giving you confidence at high speeds. Chassis and suspension. The RSV4's aluminum twin-spar frame remains a masterpiece, offering a perfect balance of rigidity and agility. However, Aprilia has fine-tuned the geometry for even sharper handling. The Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active suspension provides real-time adjustments, adapting to road conditions instantly. Whether you're attacking a racetrack or enjoying a weekend ride, the suspension ensures maximum control and comfort. Aerodynamics and design. Aprilia has further enhanced the aerodynamics with a revised front fairing and integrated winglets, reducing drag while improving stability at high speeds. The aggressive twin LED headlights with cornering function give the RSV4 a menacing look, while the sculpted bodywork enhances airflow and cooling. Every inch of this bike screams performance. Braking system. Stopping power comes from Brembo Stylema calipers, gripping twin 330mm discs at the front, ensuring razor-sharp braking performance. Coupled with cornering ABS, the RSV4 provides excellent stability under hard braking, even at extreme lean angles. Whether on the road or track, you can trust the brakes to deliver precise stopping power. Technology and connectivity. The 2025 RSV4 comes with a full-color TFT display, offering Bluetooth connectivity for navigation, calls, and ride data logging. With the Aprilia MIA system, you can customize riding modes, track lap times, and monitor real-time telemetry, making it a high-tech companion for both casual and hardcore riders. Final thoughts. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is an engineering marvel, combining raw power with advanced electronics and aerodynamics.